And today we're going to talk about something millions of men quietly struggle with, but rarely ask about openly: how to get the absolute best results from Tadalafil, also known as Cialis. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever taken Tadalafil and felt like it didn't work as well as you hoped? Or maybe it worked once, but the next time the results weren't quite the same? You're not alone, and it's not your fault. Today, I'm going to share 5 proven science-based tips that can dramatically improve how well Tadalafil works for you. And I'll also explain some of the common mistakes men make, mistakes that rob them of results and confidence. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button so YouTube knows this is valuable content, and subscribe if you want real practical men's health advice every week. Also, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing men from all over the world taking control of their health. All right, let's get started. Here's the truth most men don't realize. Tadalafil isn't a magic button for erections. It's a tool, an amplifier. It helps your body do what it's designed to do, but only when you use it the right way. The biggest myth I hear from patients is, if I swallow the pill, an erection should just happen. Not true. Tadalafil only works in combination with your brain, your emotions, and your blood flow. So the goal isn't just taking the pill. The goal is creating the right internal environment for the medication to do its job fully. I've been treating men with erectile dysfunction for over 12 years, and I've seen it all, from men in their 30s just starting to notice performance changes, to men in their 70s who want to keep enjoying intimacy with their partner. And here's the encouraging part. When men use Tadalafil correctly, with the right strategies, their success rate goes up dramatically. I'm going to share the exact 5 tips I give my patients in clinic, explained in plain English, so you can apply them starting tonight. Tip number 1, choose a trustworthy source. Here's the deal. Tadalafil is widely available as a generic now, which is great because it's affordable, but not all generics are equal. Different manufacturers use different fillers and formulations, and that can change how much of the medication your body actually absorbs. So if you feel like this brand just isn't working, it may not be you. It may be the pill. Biologically, poor quality generics can reduce absorption, so less medication reaches your bloodstream. Emotionally, this inconsistency can crush your confidence, leaving you second-guessing yourself. Practically, if one generic doesn't seem effective, ask your pharmacist for a different brand, or consider trying the brand name Cialis for a fair comparison. Consistency matters. Tip number 2, take it on an empty stomach. This is one of the biggest game changers. If you take Tadalafil right after a heavy meal, especially one loaded with fat, your body will absorb it much more slowly. Biologically, fatty foods delay absorption and blunt the effect of the medication. Emotionally, you may feel frustrated, thinking it's not working for me when really the timing was off. Practically, for best results, take Tadalafil on an empty stomach, or at least 2 hours after eating, and go easy on alcohol. It can dull both your performance and your results. Tip number 3, remember, stimulation is still required. This one is critical. Tadalafil doesn't automatically create an erection. It works by enhancing the natural response to sexual arousal. Biologically, the pill increases blood flow only after the brain sends arousal signals to the body. Emotionally, this is empowering. It means connection, intimacy, and touch still matter. Practically, don't just sit and wait. Spend time with your partner, engage emotionally and physically. The medication only does its job when you do yours. Tip number 4, use the right dose for your situation. Here's where many men go wrong. Tadalafil comes in 2 dosing styles. Daily low dose, 2.5 to 5 milligrams, builds up in your system, great for men who want spontaneity and don't want to plan around pills. As needed dose, 10 to 20 milligrams, taken 30 minutes to 2 hours before intimacy, lasts up to 36 hours. Biologically, the daily dose maintains steady blood levels, while the higher on-demand dose gives stronger, immediate support. Emotionally, using the wrong dose can lead to disappointment, frustration, and lost confidence. Practically, don't confuse the two. If you want reliable daily readiness, stick with the daily dose. If you want peak performance for a planned night, talk to your doctor about the 10 or 20 milligram on-demand dose. Tip number 5, time it right. Yes, Tadalafil can start working in 30 to 60 minutes, but here's the secret. It reaches peak effectiveness around 2 hours after taking it. Biologically, at peak, the concentration in your bloodstream is highest, maximizing effect. Emotionally, planning ahead reduces anxiety and creates confidence instead of pressure. Practically, take it at least 90 minutes before intimacy, and remember, it stays in your system for up to 36 hours. That doesn't mean you'll have an erection the whole time. It simply means your body is primed and ready when arousal happens. Now, what if you've done all this, but results are still disappointing? That's usually a sign the root causes need to be addressed. Blood flow, testosterone, oxidative stress, and even performance anxiety. That's why, in addition to medication, I often recommend supporting your body with 4 evidence-based supplements: a nitric oxide booster to improve circulation, a natural testosterone support formula, a prostate health blend to reduce inflammation and improve urinary function, an antioxidant and stress support supplement to fight oxidative stress and ease performance anxiety. These aren't gimmicks. They're tools backed by science that give men their confidence and vitality back. Now, let me reassure you, needing help with erections does not make you less of a man. It makes you human. Your body changes with age, stress, lifestyle, and health conditions. But with the right adjustments, men in their 50s, 60s, even 70s can and do enjoy a satisfying sex life. Don't let one bad experience define you. You are not broken. You just need the right strategy. So here's the takeaway. Tadalafil can be a powerful ally, but only if you use it wisely. Choose a reliable source, take it on an empty stomach, remember stimulation matters, pick the right dose, and time it well. Support your body with lifestyle and supplements, and you'll notice the difference not just in performance, but in confidence, intimacy, and peace of mind.